My aluminum cooking pot stained and I thought of replacing them. But then after serious consideration and the durability and the maintenance of cooking pots, I decided to go back to stainless steel. These pots, I've had them for 7 years, so it is a worthwhile purchase, and that's why I will be unboxing a new set of stainless steel cooking pot in today's video. The set, I got it from Naivas and it was only 9,999, a discount from I think 12,000. Hello good people, Jessie is my name and this is Simple Living with Jessie, where we make homemaking feel easy and there's no perfection required. Let's get to the unboxing. So here is the package of the cooking pot, and as we unbox, I'm going to give you 10 reasons as to why I decided to go for stainless steel and not any other option. Stainless steel cooking pots are safe and non-toxic. That is, they don't leach chemical into food, and they are safer than non-stick or aluminum cookware. Second, they are durable and long-lasting, highly resistant to rust, dents, and scratches. Of course, they are cost-effective because they are long-lasting. Let me know in the comment section whether you have stainless steel cooking pots and your experience with the cooking pots. Time to see the package. So one thing I love about stainless steel is the lid. They come with glass lids and they serve you for a long time. Like I said, I have had my previous cooking pots for 7 years and the lids are still intact. Only one is broken, but it was broken by someone. They didn't just break, which tells you they are actually heat resistant and they are strong on when you're cooking. Okay, so one thing I liked about this one, so that's the third thing. And then number 4, I love these cooking pots because they have handles, and from my previous cooking pots, they don't heat up unless the heat is too much for the pot. I will explain when I'm demonstrating some cooking with the pots, so make sure you're subscribed and you turn on the notification bell so that on the day I will be testing out all the cooking pots, you will be able to be notified of the video. Okay. So the first one is a frying pan or a fry pan, whichever way you may call it. So one thing and one reason I decided to pick this one is because it's non-stick and also it has a lid. The ones I have, they don't have lids, so I wanted to get this one. So that was a win for me. As to our next reason as to why I picked the stainless steel, it preserves food taste. It doesn't react, so it doesn't alter the taste of food or the color of food, even when cooking acidic food like tomatoes, whichever way you may call them. The next one is even heat distribution. They have an aluminum or copper core that spreads heat evenly. It reduces burning and improves cooking consistently. Most people fear these pots because of the burning, but I'll show you how to make it work even with the burning. So the next one is a casserole. You can see that one is a reasonable size. There are actually 2 casseroles. You've seen the first one on the banner, yeah, and I feel like they are good size for a reasonable size of family. Okay, so the 2 casseroles and the fry pan. And the last part is a saucepan. Where is it? Oh, here you are. Yeah, so that's the saucepan. Okay, I love the handles because they don't burn you as long as you use the right heat. Okay, the next thing that made me decide to buy these ones is they're easy to clean and maintain, can handle scrubbing without damage. They're dishwasher safe and don't retain odors and stains easily. I also decided to get this stainless deep colander. The reason I got these cooking pots is that they are versatile to all cooking methods, suitable for boiling, frying, sauteing, simmering, and all that. And you can use them on gas, electricity, induction, and ceramic and cooktops. So you are sorted for whatever you want to use it for. The next thing is that they are healthy cooking with less oil. Once preheated properly, food releases easily, allowing you to cook with minimal oil. And most people will say they burn. Yes, they do if you use high heat. But if you manage the heat, they will not let you down. Like I said, I'll show you how I use them when I'm cooking. And then we have their oven safe. Okay. Then they're professional and they have a modern look. I'm sure this is something you would love in your kitchen because they are clean, polished appearance that suits modern kitchens. And of course, they're environmental friendly. They also come with these 2 serving spoons. I will call them serving spoons because I don't cook with plastics or silicone anymore. I only use wooden kitchen spoons to cook. Okay, so you can also adopt that option too. I heard they're not safe whether they're silicone or not. The last reason is because of the way you can put them together. Look at that. They don't take space because they are carrying each other. They are fitting into each other and you just need one package. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these stainless cooking pots and why you should not get them. Trust me, this is a worthwhile purchase that you should consider and you're going to enjoy. Honestly, I love using stainless steel cooking pots as compared to any other. Okay, yeah, so keep it here for how I will be cooking with them. I'm going to try a few recipes and share with you so that you just have a feel of what it is all about. But of course, before we do that, we're going to do some shopping. Let us know what else you would like us to share and also share with us what you have learned so that we can also learn from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support. We value you. See you on the next one. Bye.